In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Canva Whiteboard. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and select Whiteboard. Once the whiteboard opens, you'll see a large, flexible canvas where you can freely add and move elements. You can start from a blank board or choose a template like brainstorm, mind map, or flowchart from the left side. Click on any text to edit it and add your own ideas, topics, or plans. Use the Elements section to add shapes, lines, sticky notes, or diagrams to organize your content visually. You can drag and move everything anywhere on the canvas to build your layout the way you want. To make it more engaging, change colors, fonts, and sizes, or add images and icons. You can zoom in or out to manage large ideas and keep everything organized. If you're working with others, click Share to collaborate or invite others to edit. Once your whiteboard is ready, you can present it, share the link, or download it. That is how you use Canva Whiteboard.